Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the account details you already control. Check username and email in account settings so you won't lose access. Once done, enable two-step verification in security to prevent lockouts while you change credentials. Make sure you have a strong new password prepared. Aim for 12 or more characters with uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols because a complex password stops casual attacks and keeps your Roblox. You now navigate to Settings, then Account Info, and choose Change Password. This is the core action. Enter your current password first, then type the new password twice to confirm accuracy. The second entry prevents typos that lock you out. Make sure to save it in a password manager or record a subtle hint somewhere safe. This step prevents lost password recovery hassles and makes future logins quick and secure once the system accepts your new credentials. Finish by verifying changes. Log out and then log back in to confirm the new password works across devices. Next, confirm your recovery email or phone and test two-step verification codes so you can regain access if needed. If something goes wrong and you're locked out, use account recovery and provide proof like recent purchases or original email. This helps Roblox support validate ownership quickly. So keep receipts and account details handy for a smoother recovery process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.